In this video, I am going to solve this problem. A real estate agent, she makes a fixed salary of $1,500 per month. And she also earns a commission of 1.5% on the total monthly sales. First part of the problem, we need to create a linear model for the agent's earning. And the second part of the problem asks, if she sells 2 homes in a particular month totaling $900,000, then how much was her income that month? So how much money she made in that month? We are going to solve part A. It's a scenario where we can apply the slope-intercept form of a straight line, y is equal to mx plus b, or linear model. B would be the fixed monthly income, which is, by the way, 1500. Like B is the y-intercept. Remember, if we have a straight line, this point is the y-intercept that is fixed. So this B is the fixed value. And M is the slope, basically rate of change. And X and Y are variables. Now we got to figure out what is Y and what is X. Y obviously is her monthly salary, income or salary, whatever you call, and X must be the amount of money, or amount of sales in this case that she generates. So now, given these two scenarios, our linear model is going to be y is equal to mx. Now, what is m? The rate, 1.5%, or slope. That means she makes 1.5% of the total sales. So 1.5% is, by the way, 0.015. Don't make the mistake 0.15, which is, by the way, 15%. I see this typical mistake, something that you can easily avoid. Times X plus B. B is 1500, which is the fixed salary. Regardless, even if she doesn't make a single sale for the month, she's still going to earn this 1500. So this is our linear model. Now we are going to apply this linear model to solve part B. Part B is asking how much money she made in a particular month if she sold 2 homes that brought in a sales revenue of 900,000. So all we have to do is we need to put that value, y is equal to 0.015 times the total revenue she generated, which is 900,000, plus whatever her fixed income is, which is 1500. Now if we simplify it, we get y is equal to 13,500 plus 1500, which is going to give me y is equal to 15,000. Here, let me do a little bit of calculation on the side to show you how you'd calculate this thing. Sometimes students struggle with multiplying, dividing decimals. So let's go ahead and work on it a little bit. We are multiplying 0.015, multiplying it by 900,000. This is rather quite easy, by the way, this multiplication. For the at the beginning, just ignore all the decimals and everything. What do we have? 15 times 9. 15 times 9, 5 times 9 is 45, carry over is 4, 9 times 1 is 9, plus 4 is 13. So it's going to be 135. So think as if you are multiplying 15 by 900,000. So 15 times 9 is 135. Now how many zeros do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm just going to put 5 zeros. 3, 4, 5. Now we've got to take into consideration the fact that there is a decimal involved here. Now, after the decimal, how many digits do you have? You have 1, 2, 3. So whatever this number is, this number, that's the same as 0.0 or 00, doesn't matter. Now you need to move this decimal 3 digits to the left because there are 3 digits after the decimal. So here there are 3 digits, 1, 2, 3. So now I'm going to take this decimal and move it 1, 2, 3 right here. So this becomes then 13,500 because decimal is right here. So it's 13,500, and that's how we get this. And I add 1,500 to that, it gives me 15,000. So the income for the month for the real estate agent was $15,000. By the way, this actually does happen, even though in reality there is no fixed income. Most of the times, sometimes there may be. Real estate agents, if they make a sale, they can make quite a bit of decent money. And if you're involved in that industry, sometimes when the housing market is good or a lot of transactions, agents could make a lot of money. I hope that this discussion was helpful. Thank you very much.